Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious eggplant salad, also known as ensaladang talong. This simple guide will help you create a refreshing and flavorful dish perfect for any meal. We'll start by roasting the eggplants to achieve that wonderful smoky flavor, then move on to preparing a vibrant dressing. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly satisfying experience. Let's get cooking. First, let's roast our eggplants. You can do this over an open flame, on a grill, or under a broiler until the skin is completely charred and the flesh inside is very soft. This process gives the eggplant a wonderful smoky flavor. Once roasted, place them in a covered bowl or plastic bag for about 10 minutes to steam, which makes peeling much easier. Carefully peel off the charred skin, discarding it, and set the tender eggplant aside. Now let's prepare our vibrant dressing. Finely chop one medium tomato and one small red onion. In a separate bowl, combine about 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. For an extra layer of savory depth, add a dash of fish sauce. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This dressing will bring all the flavors together. Finally, it's time to assemble our eggplant salad. Take your peeled, roasted eggplants and gently flake them apart with a fork or your fingers into bite-sized pieces. Place the flaked eggplant in a serving bowl. Pour the prepared dressing, along with the chopped tomatoes and onions, over the eggplant. Toss everything gently to ensure the eggplant is well coated. Garnish with fresh cilantro or sliced green onions. Serve your delicious eggplant salad chilled for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.